Morning guys, we just got out of bed.
Morning.
And we are on our search for breakfast, so we're going to the corner store. I'm gonna make bacon and eggs, and I am still in my pajama bottoms and tops and everything. And it is 4 degrees outside and it's really cold. And yeah.
And my nose is like and we snored a lot last night apparently. We went to the building.
Yeah. And this is Tokyo first thing in the morning. It is cold. Not too cold, my legs are okay actually. Anyway, we'll come back when we're cooking. Bye. Gonna make some toast. Some eggs, some bacon, and chocolate slice. Gonna go and cook.
One that like everyone's
Chelsea, Belle, where are we?
Harajuku!
Harajuku! And this is it. This is like the main strand. Takashite, and it's like really big. It's super busy. It's a Sunday. Oh, it's still like zooming. It's just I'll hold the camera. Anyway, yeah. And
this is like Wolfgang.
And yeah, so we're gonna do some shopping. And bye.
Hey guys, we're in a candy store and it is
Oh my god. This is like nothing.
This is one section.
Goes
All the way back.
and it goes everywhere.
Look at my new earmuffs. Kawaii! And I got a new scarf as well. Look at that scarf. And like lollies. It is good. It is heaven.
Guys, we are getting lunch in Harajuku, and Chelsea found this really cool place.
Yeah, I did.
And yeah, have a look around.
Oh yeah, I did. Hey Bob.
I feel like the little sitting under like the nice show area. And so you can get little areas like this. You take off your shoes and put them on the floor. You sit in your lap. Yep, that made no sense.
How do you sit on your lap?
Yeah, like you have to reverse your butt or something.
You'll be like a seal on the floor.
They're making fun of me.
I got myself food on.
I gotta take a picture.
And what did you get?
Pork katsudon and soba noodles.
Yeah. And then Dog got the same thing.
Wow,
So we're just gonna go eat now and we'll tune in soon. So we did a bit of shopping today and whoopsie doodle. We're in, I don't know what the place is called, but it's Harajuku. It's up the street from Harajuku. And look at the lights, they're so nice.
All the pretty lights everywhere. Belle is in the bathroom and we're waiting.
But after she gets out, we're going straight home and then we're going to a cat cafe.
Hopefully if it's open.
Yeah, so we'll show you guys in a sec.
Bye.
First council left me to walk back straight and then turn left into our street.
The face looks so squashed. Like, look at the face. It's so like, it's like as if it face planted or something.
Are you happy? Are you in heaven?
I want a kitten.
Coming, it's coming. We'll get it, kill it.
No, we're teasing them. We have to give them food. Okay.
Oh my god, I want to take a picture of this.
Okay, wait.
How do we get the little best hot chocolate ever?
Do you like it?
Yeah, but not the cats.
You like them, don't lie. Just one she doesn't like.
Are you serious? Do you know how many bitchy ass cats there are? No wonder why they're fat. Look at them.
I can't see it. Oh.
Status, I've never had so many likes on my status.
Hey guys, we just got... Hey guys. Oh my god.
Yeah.